Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create shadow flow effect in CapCut PC. So you can import your videos or photos you like to edit. Just import, and I'm just going to select this logo, this CapCut logo. Go effect and select T like flow. Alright, you can select distortion. Scroll down until you find the shadow flow, but this is perfect. You have to join profiles to be able to use this effect. For duration, you can see, you can change for the option right here: filter, strength, noise, and range. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.